In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the skin tone of emojis in Zoom. If you use thumbs ups, claps, or any people-style emojis in Zoom, you can set a default skin tone so your reactions feel more personal and consistent across meetings. I'll walk you through it on the Zoom desktop app, and I'll add a few quick tips so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening Zoom on your computer and looking at the upper right corner of the window. You'll see your profile image or your initials in a small circle. Click that to open your account menu. This is where Zoom keeps your personal preferences and app-wide settings. From that menu, select Settings. It may appear as a gear icon labeled Settings or Preferences, depending on your operating system. This opens the main settings window where you can customize how Zoom looks and behaves. Inside the settings window, go to the area that mentions emojis and reactions skin tone. The wording can vary slightly by version, and it's often found under General or Chat. You're looking for a line that says something like, Choose skin tone for reactions and emojis, next to a set of color swatches. This setting controls the default tone for emojis and reactions that depict people or hands, such as the thumbs up, clapping hands, and similar gestures. It doesn't change generic yellow faces or objects because those don't use skin tones. Now, click the color you prefer. As soon as you select it, Zoom applies the change automatically. There's no save button to press. You can switch this anytime, so don't worry about experimenting to see what looks best on your screen and in your lighting. Finally, check it in your meetings. Join or start a meeting, then open the Reactions menu on the toolbar and try a thumbs up or another hand gesture. You should see your new skin tone instantly. If you send a people-style emoji in chat, it will also use your selected tone. If it doesn't appear to update, make sure you're signed in to the same account on the desktop app and that your Zoom client is up to date. Also note that this setting is per device and per app. If you use Zoom on another computer or on mobile, you may need to set your preference there as well. That's all there is to it. Pick a tone once, and your reactions and people-style emojis will reflect your choice going forward. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next meeting with a little more personal flair.